Okay, so this is how you turn in your final project. You should have already saved this twice. The first one was called alphabet underscore first initial last name underscore period number. The second one should be called logo first initial last name underscore P1 or P2. Save it on your desktop. Click OK. What should have happened on this is you should have taken your two initials. I just used this student's information. Holding the command key down and tapping the letter Y shows you that these are still wireframe. Remember that you were supposed to expand them. Anytime you have a lot of space down here on the bottom of the screen, click this green button and it'll go full screen so that you can see your images larger. Command Y again. You were to place the lowercase and also the uppercase in all 7 of these shapes. Then you were supposed to outline them. Again, Command Y by going Object, Expand, which expands the wireframe into shapes. And then you were supposed to take each one of these letters and using the Pathfinder tool, click the Unite button. You're supposed to do those with all of these. Then you place them over the top of each one of these. Just grab this one as an example. And fit it in there. And then punch it through. Remember also, this is your stroke. There should be no stroke and a black fill. Then you fit these letters into this area and arrange them in such a way as to make an interesting design. And then select all 3 and click the second icon here on the Pathfinder menu, which is minus front. What that does is it takes all 3 of these things, and I'm just doing Command Y to get to the wireframe. And when I click the minus front, watch what happens here and here. So now this is a single shape. Again, you've named it logo underscore first initial last name underscore P1. The last thing you're going to do to this, to turn in your final, is you're going to select one of your favorites. I'm going to take these 2 since they're already done. If you want to color them in here first and then copy and paste them, you can do that. But it's just as easy to select one of them, copy it, and create a new document by going to the File menu, selecting New, and then you're going to change the size to 4 inches by 4 inches and click OK. So now you have a 4-inch by 4-inch document. It's filling the screen. I'm going to hold the Command key down and tap the letter V to paste this in here, and then I'm going to move it to the top. And again, all I'm doing is with the selection tool, I'm going to enlarge this by holding the Shift key down, clicking from the corner, and enlarging it. Then I'm going to hold the Option key down, click on it, use the Shift key, move it over here to the right. Now I have 2 of them. Give it a little bit of space. Center it on the screen. And then using the Direct Selection tool, I'm going to click one of these areas and color it. And I'm going to select the other area and color that. Colors are somewhat arbitrary. Just choose something that is pleasing to you. Then I'm going to go back over here to my toolbar, click on the Type tool, type in my name, Please use your actual name when you do this. Then I'm going to hold the Shift key down and the Option key. Duplicate this down. Triple click on it and type in period 1. Then I'm going to just center this text underneath here. And then I'm going to save this file. This is how I'm going to save it. Final logo underscore first initial last name underscore P1. I'm using this student's name because this is the one I've used for all of these so far. Also going to take the space out of here so it says final logo with no space. Click on the desktop and save it. If you want to play around a little bit with this more, one of the fun things you can do to it, click the selection tool, which is the black arrow, go to Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadow, and then click this little preview button down here to see what it looks like. This is kind of too fuzzy, so I'm going to change these two parameters to 0.5, 0.5, that's 0.05, and 0.03. I'm also going to change this to 50%. Save your file, and I'll show you in the next video how to upload it. I just saved it by hitting Command S.